Hello Primary 6. Today we will take last lesson, unit 4, last two lesson. Lesson 2, the random experiment we studied before. The random experiment. The random experiment, it's an experiment in which we can determine all its possible outcomes before carrying it out, but we can't predict in certainly which of these outcomes will occur when the experiment is carried out. Sample space. Outcome space is a set of all possible outcomes for a random experiment, and it's usually denoted by the symbol S. And the number of all elements of the sample space is denoted by NS. Fine. Some example of random experiment. Tossing coin once and observing its apparent face. Tossing a dice once and observing the number appearing on the upper face. Number 3, drawing a ball from bag containing 2 red balls and 2 black balls. For example, write the sample space of tossing two distance coins. Showing the number of its elements. Solution. طيب احنا لو عملنا tossing الكوين ايه اللي ممكن يعني البروبابيليتي ان احنا نشوف الهيد هيد او هي ايه الفيسز head 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 tail head or tail. Then the number of sample space equal 4. Remark. The probability of impossible event equals 0. Probability of certain event or sure event equal 1. Probability of the possible event is between 0 and 1. It's fractions. The sum of probabilities of outcomes of all possible events equal 1. About lesson 3, the probability. What is the event? The event is a subset of the sample space. Okay? For example, in the random experiment of tossing die, once the observing apparent number on the upper face, we get S equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The third die. Type. If A is the event of appearance of an even number, then A equal 2, 4, 6. ال A هنا subset from S. 2 و 4 و 6 subset from S. And it said that A is an event in S. If B is event of appearance of an odd number, then B equal 1, 3, 5 الodd number. Will B اللي هي الodd number subset from S. And it's said that B is an event in S. Probability of the event of each element of sample space S has the same chance of being the selected element. The probability of occurrence and an event A subset from S is denoted by probability of A and is found by using relation. Probability of A equal the number of elements of A over the number of elements of S. Fine. For example, if a fair die is thrown once and we observe the number on the upper face, find the probabilities of each of the following events. A is the event of appearance of number greater than 4. D is event of appearance of even number. C is event of appearance of number 5. طيب D هنا هتكون event of appearance of number 7. E is the event of the appearance of number less than 7. For example, solution. الثيرد داي بيبقى السامبل سبيس هتبقى equal 1 2 3 4. النمبر اوف سبيس هنا كام او الاوتكم 6. fine. for A event of appearance a number greater than 4. كام واحد هنا greater than 4؟ 1 2. يبقى النمبر of A equal 2 over the total number equal 6. then probability of getting A equal 2 over 6 equal 1 over 3. fine. sorry. number 2 B the event of appearance of an even number. ايه هو الايفن نمبر هنا؟ 2 4 6. طيب النمبر of even number عددهم كانوا 3. probability of getting B هتبقى 3 over 6 equal 1 over 2. number C أو number 3 هنا هتكون ال event of appearance number 5. كام مرة ممكن نشوف number 5؟ هو 1 time والنمبر of outcome هتكون 1. يبقى 1 over the total number 1 over 6 هو ده ال probability. number 4 is the event of appearance the number 7. في هنا ممكن نشوف number 7 في ال third die ده؟ of course no. then null set or fine. number of the probability of D اللي هي هتبقى 0 over 6 equals 0. this is impossible event. number 5 E is event appearance of number less than 7. ايه هي النمبر اللي less than 7؟ ايه هي النمبر اللي less than 7؟ طيب 1 2 3 4 5 6 كلها. يبقى النمبر of probability of E هتبقى equal 6. then probability of E equal 6 over 6 equal 1. this is a certain event. certain event. fine. The impossible event phi is event which cannot occur. مش ممكن يحصل ومش ممكن نلاقيه. The probability of impossible event equals 0. Probability of phi also equals 0. The certain event, sure event, S is event whose outcomes are all possible outcomes. The probability of the certain event equal 1. B. Probability of S equal 1. number 3. The possible event, sum of outcomes of experiment. The probability of possible event equal proper fraction. Probability of possible لأن دايما ال possible fraction and ال possible between 0 and 1 يبقى this is proper fractions. So the probability of any event is not less than 0 and it's not more than 1 for any event A we found between 0 and 1. يبقى impossible event probability of impossible event equal 4. We studied in the last lesson اللي هو random experiment. Okay? يبقى probability of impossible event equal 0. Probability of certain event equal 1. طيب probability of possible event between 0 and 1 اللي هي ايه؟ proper fraction. Fine. For example 2. A bag contains 9 similar balls. 4 of them are white. 3 are red. 2 are black. A ball is drawn randomly. Calculate the probability of each of the following events. Okay. طيب. Drawing a ball is white. Drawing ball is red. Drawing ball is green. Drawing is white or black. Drawing is not black. Solution. Probability of number of white على number of all bag. طب number of white كانوا كام؟ 4. number of all bag 9. Let's go to A. See the example. يبقى هنا الباج دي contain كام؟ كانوا كلهم 9 similar ball. 4 of them are white with 3 are red with 2 are black. You can try answer in your notebook. In your notebook you can answer this question. After you finish, we can see two solution together أو answer together. يلا يا primary 6. Write the total number of balls is 9. 4 of them are white. 3 of them are red. 2 are black. Then calculate number A. Number 1, A, the drawing of white balls. Number B, drawn red ball. Number D, أو 3 تبقى D, probability of D, drawn ball is green. Number 4, E, drawn ball is white or black. Type number 5, drawn ball is not black. 1 minute, just 1 minute to find answer for this question. Find solution. Probability of white تبقى number of white 4 over the total number of ball 9. Number 2, probability of B, the number of red ball over a number of total ball 3 over 9 equal 1 over 3. Number 3, probability of number of green يعني هتبقى over a number of all ball. We don't have green ball. We don't have green. احنا عندنا في 4 of them white و 3 red و 2 black. طيب يبقى هنا يبقى number of green 0 over 9 equals 0. The number of white balls and the black ball هتبقى ما بيقول white and black يبقى we add white plus black يعني 4 plus 2 over 9. 4 plus 2 over 9. The number of white 4 and number of black 2 adding together يبقى 4 plus 2 equals 6 over 9 equal 2 over 3. طب the number of balls which are not black ايه اللي هم are not black كلهم ما عدا البلاك يبقى we remove البلاك يبقى 9 minus 2 over 9 يعني 9 minus 2 equals 7 over 9. Okay. Remarks. Probability can be written as a fractions from a decimal form or a form of percentage. If the probability of an event equals 2 over 5, it can be written 0.4 or 40%. The sum of probabilities of all outcomes of random experiment equal 1. We said before. The probability of occurrence of event A is probability of A. Then the probability that doesn't occur equal 1 minus probability of A. For example, يعني, if the probability of success of a student is 7 over 10, then the probability of his failure is 1 minus 7 over 10 equals 3 over 10. Okay, example 4. A card selected randomly from 30 cards, numbered from 1 to 30. Find the probability of each of the following event. Selected card carries number divisible by 5. The selected card carries number divisible by 9. Solution. احنا عندنا number from 1 to 30. A number of probability equals 30. طيب. The first one, selected carries numbers divisible by 5. ايه النمبر اللي هنا divisible by 5؟ نبدأ start from ال 5 كل مرة بتزود 5. 5 plus 5 10 plus 5 15 لحد ايه till number 30. يبقى how many numbers can divisible by 5? 1 2 3 4 5 6 number. 6 over total number أو total selected number اللي هي هتبقى equal 30. 6 over 30 divisible by 6 equal 1 over 5. B equal 9 اللي هو ايه بقى؟ selected card carries the number divisible by 9. Start from 9 and ايه؟ adding 9 يعني 9 plus 9 18 plus 9 27. Then the number of probability of B هتبقى equal 3. طب 3 over total number of card اللي هي 30 divisible by 3 هتبقى equal 1 over 10. Then if we have a box contains 8 white balls, 5 red balls, 7 blue balls, all balls identical, one is drawn random, find the probability that this ball is number 1, white. I give you just 2 minutes to find this question. 2 minutes to find this question. Write in your copy book answer for this question. Okay, fine. That's enough. Find the white ball. Total number of balls 8 plus 5 plus 7 equal 20. Probability of getting white had to be equal 8 over 20. Simplify, divide by 4, 4 over 10. Probability of getting red 5. Red 5 over 20 equal 1 over 4. Number 3, probability to getting green. We don't have green ball. Then 0 over 20 equal 0. Probability equal 0. Impossible event. Number 4, not red. لو كان not red هيبقى equal كام؟ not red. الريد ball equal 5. يعني 7 plus 8, 15 over 20 equals 3 over 4. By simplify the both numerator or denominator, divide by 5, 3 over 4. Probability number 5, white or red. طيب الوايت كان 8 plus الred 8 plus 5 13 over 20. Number 6, white or red or blue. White or red or blue يعني 8 plus 5 plus 7 equal 20 over 20 equal 1. Certain event. Box contains 12 identical balls numbered from 1 to 12. One ball is drawn at random. Write the sample space. Then find the probability that the drawn ball has an even number greater than 7. Number 2, number divisible by 4. Number 3, prime number smaller than 9. Number 4, a multiple of number 7. Should be right. The sample space from 1 to 12 and try answer this question. هي ايه ال even number from 1 to 12 greater than 7. ال even number from 1 to 12 اللي هي greater than 7. Number 1 هتكون 8 10 and 12 يعني 3 over 12. Simplify هتبقى 1 over 4. Number 2, a number divisible by 4. 4 and 8 and 12 يبقى 3 number. 3 over 12 equal 1 over 4. Simplify. Number 3, prime number smaller than 9. 2 3 5 7 يبقى 4 number. 4 over 12 equal 1 over 4. Multiple of number 7. 7 يبقى 1 over 12. Multiple of number 7 from 1 to 12 7 يبقى 1 number. Another question. Fair die is drawn. Find the probability of appearing number, even number, odd number, prime number, less than 5, less than 7, more than 6. Just 1 minute to find answer for this question. Write the sample space or the space of the fair die and try answer the question. 1 2 3 4 5 6 the fair die. What's the probability to getting even number, probability to getting odd number, probability to getting prime number? Try a primary 6 يلا. Okay, fine. Probability number 1 to getting even number هتكون ايه؟ 3 اللي هي 2 4 6 يبقى 3 number. 3 over 6 equal 1 over 2. Probability to getting odd number 3 5 1 و 3 و 5 يبقى 3 over 6 equal 1 over 2. probability to getting prime number 2 3 و5 3 over 6 1 over 2. probability to getting number 5 هو واحد بس 1 يبقى 1 over 6. طيب number 7 we don't have number 7 يبقى 0 over 6 equals 0 impossible even. number 6 more than 3 النمبر اللي more than 3 4 و5 و6 يبقى 3 number 3 over 6 equal 1 over 2. number 7 number less than 5 1 و 2 و 3 و 4 يبقى ايه 4 number over 6 equal 2 over 3. number 8 less than 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 يبقى 6 number 6 over 6 equal 1 certain event. more than 6 impossible even لأن الفير die from 1 to 8 to 6. This is the last question for this lesson. I hope everyone can understand. Thank you for good listening, primary 6.